ukulele, Honolulu sunset, watching the grass skirt sway, drinking rum from a pineapple out in Honolulu Bay. Steel guitars are playing, she's talking with her hands. Gimme, Yokonoka, make her wish I wanna poke her. Once I understand. Hey, let's talk dirty in Hawaii. Whisper in my ear. Kick a puka maka wawahini. Words I long to hear.